Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Winix 5500 2-Air Purifier. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this air purifier is worth it. The Winix 5500 2-Air Purifier Overview. Winix 5500 2-Air Purifier is an effective air cleaner gadget whose efficiency is rated at about 99.97%, and with an ability to capture as small as 0.3 micron air pollutants. The device is electric, necessitating a cord connection to a main supply for power. It has a smart sensor that gauges the air quality and an automatic mode function that adjusts the fan speed depending on the air quality. Besides its on-gadget control buttons, the device comes with a remote control that controls most of its functions, but not all. It's relatively smaller in size, with its longest side not exceeding 2 feet, and lightweight too, weighing about 16 pounds. This enhances its mobility in case a need to move it arises. What we liked: smart sensor and automatic gauge function, remote control mechanism, smaller size and lightweight. What we didn't like: the Plasmawave function can only be controlled manually with on-gadget buttons. Features: reliable remote control mechanism. The 5500 2-Air Purifier comes with a high-efficiency remote control mechanism, effective within a 20-foot radius. The mechanism controls power, auto mode, fan speed, and turbo mode functions at your comfort, without reaching where your device is located. Its remote comes with a wall-mountable storage cradle. Multi-layered replaceable filters. The device comes with 3 layers of replaceable filters. These include the pre-filter, the HEPA, and the activated carbon filters. Before first use, remove the HEPA and activated carbon filters in their protecting foil before replacing them in the device in the same orientation. The pre-filter should be washed periodically, at least every 2 weeks, for optimized performance. Smart Air Quality Sensor. The device has a smart sensor technology for measuring air pollution and quality. These parameters are used to automatically adjust the fan speed while in auto mode for more efficiency per unit of time. The sensor is linked to an air quality indicator, which visually displays the air quality in the room through LED color codes. Who is the Winix 5500 2-Air Purifier best suited for? Despite its applicability to anyone intending to enhance the air quality in their environments, the gadget best suits asthmatic patients whose allergic reactions can be aroused by high allergen levels in the air. Verdict: should you get the Winix 5500 2-Air Purifier? Despite some minor hitches, such as its Plasmawave mechanism generating ozone, the Winix 5500 2 is a reliable air purifier with lots of dynamic features for outstanding performance. Its ozone emission is below the risk level, thus its CARB certification. Therefore, you should buy this device in case you're in need of an air purifier. Thanks for watching.